Hey you guys, good morning. So it is approximately, what time is it right now? 10:07 in the morning, 10 o'clock basically. And I'm getting a late start, trying to get a good angle to this vlogging part. But I've been up like since, as you guys know, I get up early. I think I got up around 4 this morning. So, been super busy. And I'm just not picking up the camera to share my day with you guys. I'm trying to get a good angle where you guys can see me really good. I think that's good without all the crazy light. This is even better. So far this morning I got up. I did work on the computer.
That's what I do. I thug my way in the room.
I got up, I did work on the computer. I answered emails. I edited 2 videos and uploaded both videos. One is live now, which is my vlog from last week, and one is private, which is a review on my Vegan Cuts November box, which you guys should see before this video goes up. And say hi. Hi. Okay. And then I also responded back to comments. And then I made breakfast. And then after I made breakfast, I got my son breakfast. And then after that, I cleaned the dishes. I swept the house. So now I'm still doing a lot of cleaning. Today's one of my cleaning Sundays. The unglamorous life of a wife. We do a lot of cleaning. I like to keep the house clean. So I'm doing a lot of cleaning today. But I'm going to go through my closet. And I've been meaning to do this for a while. And basically get rid of a lot of things, right? No. I want to do a lot of, get rid of all the old clothes that I don't wear anymore. I need to do that. I've been meaning to do it for a while and I've just been procrastinating. So today I'm going to try to just get a pile of clothes together so that I can either donate them or get rid of them. I keep saying, well, maybe I'm going to wear it this day. Maybe, no, I haven't worn it in years. So therefore you got to go. Somebody else might need them more than I will. So you have to go. So that's going to be my day today, just to clean and organize the house. And then cook something later and see what else happens today. Right. Okay, so the lighting is a bit weird, but hey, I'm in my basement right now. And I definitely need to organize down here. So that's what I'm going to spend a lot of my day doing. Over here in this corner over here is my sewing space. I have a lot of clothing and material that I need to get to sewing, and I haven't sewed them in a while. I have my sewing machine over here. Oh, I have the TV stuff. Oh, I need to really clean up that sewing space. And then I have another closet of mine down here. This closet right here, where it has most of my jackets. This side is my side, and over here is my husband's side with our winter jackets, our heavy jackets. And then down here I've stuffed clothing. You can't see at the bottom, but there's a lot of clothing and stuff down here that I no longer wear. And I keep meaning to get rid of them, and I don't. And then in here, I don't know if I'm going to tackle this closet. This is more of a storage unit. This is all for my soap making and soap making supplies. Because I'm not sure if you guys know, I make soaps and bath and body products. So those are all my supplies in here, and I have to go through that and see if I can clean that out also. But I'm going to start with the clothing. And I have shoes over here that I might go through. And I have some of my son's stuff, like his old toys and stuff, that they are down here. I know they're your toys, my love, that I have to go through. So much. So let me start working on that stuff. It can't go on. The slipper doesn't fit. They're cute though. I don't think I've ever worn these. Let me see. Nope. Really clean. Never worn them. Alright, well, somebody else will love them. So I cleaned up my sewing space. It looks much better. I put things in the bin, organized them. Those clothes over there in the corner are things that I have to work on, some projects. I got rid of all the old stuff. And then over here, this entire black bag right here. Let me give you a better angle. So this entire black bag right here is filled with clothes that I'm going to donate. And then over here, watch out, are some of my son's old toys that I want to get rid of and donate also. And then over here in this box, I know the lighting is not that good, but I'm in my basement, so that's what basements are. This is a bag, good size bag of electronic products that we don't use, don't need, that I'm going to give away also, donate. And this is just garbage. So, got a lot accomplished in about an hour or so. So, much better. It's a beautiful Sunday. So, I am back. I'm in my computer room. Computer is right there. And I'm going to start doing some work. I had to send out some emails. Then back there are all my coupons. So I'm going to have to go through those and organize them. So I can get some really good deals, my newspapers, my coupons. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm really enjoying this. This is Snyder's gluten-free pretzel sticks. Really good. Really, really good. So that's the plan now. Right now it's about, it's 12:09? Yeah, it's 12:09. So it's just midday, and I'm going to cook. I think I'm going to make today curry salmon and mashed potatoes. I think that's what I'm going to make for dinner today. Curry salmon and mashed potatoes. That is the plan. Let's see how that goes. Someone special that wants to tell you guys an important message. Go ahead.
Hello, subscribe and thumbs up.
What? Say it again.
Subscribe and thumbs up.
Subscribe and thumbs up. They have to say it one more time.
Subscribe and thumbs up.
Subscribe and thumbs up. Good job. Make sure you guys subscribe and thumbs up.
Why don't you cook?
Yeah, I think you should cook dinner today.
Do you want to eat?
Yes.
Alright, so you don't want me to cook dinner.
What would you make?
Something horrible.
Like what?
It just turned out horrible.
Like what? You can do it. You just have to try your best.
Bland tofu. Just sprinkle a little salt on top.
How about you make barbecue tofu?
I don't think you really want barbecue tofu if you want me to make it.
You can do it. Just try your best.
I know I can do it, but
I don't feel like cooking.
I don't have cooking. You don't think do I ever complain when you don't cook?
No,
because I know I don't like it. I don't say nothing. You could never cook from now to the whole of next year. I ain't gonna say.
So what would you eat?
I'll find something.
But I gotta eat something, and Nas gotta eat.
She gotta put the Nas in there though.
Yeah, Nas gotta eat. So then you wanna cook for Nas?
I think Nas you and Nas is the same, so you gotta cook for him. Cause if I cook, he might not want what I cook. You
make some good stuff.
What I know how to make is spaghetti and meatballs and sauce.
That's what we're gonna have for dinner then. Yeah, spaghetti meatballs?
We don't got spaghetti.
We do have spaghetti.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. You should know you did the inventory.
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, fine.
No spaghetti.
Oh, maybe
what, you took the tofu off?
I was gonna make tofu, but I didn't feel like it. It's just too much, so I put it back in the fridge. Okay, I'm gonna make mashed potato and curry salmon. Is that good? Because that should be quick and easy.
Not matter to me.
Alright. Now, you sure you don't want to cook? Oh, I gotta put those blueberries in the freezer. I have to wash it because I like the blueberries frozen. It's a good snack. Frozen blueberries. Oh, look, I'm baking pies. How do you say it, babe?
Baking what?
I'm baking a pie.
What did I say about that?
You must... Come on, Patty! Come on, Patty! Come on, Patty! That's
I
it.
think it's funny.
He is.
want to see that with the cocoa.
Don't finish my blueberries, please. If you guys don't know where, come on, Patty. I can't even say it. How do you say it?
Come on, Patty.
It's a video by, I think, James Wright Carter or something like that. The guy that made the video reviewing the Patti LaBelle pies, and then he became Insta famous, and the Patti LaBelle pies sold out. If you guys didn't see that video, it's hilarious. I'm going to try to see if I can link it below for you guys to watch it. It's not that long. It's about 5 minutes, but it's funny. It's really funny. But I'm just baking regular pies. It's pumpkin pie, but it's not Patti pies. It's actually, what is this? Mrs. Smith pies. I didn't make it from scratch today. You can't say come on, Smith. I might make banana bread from scratch today if I feel like it. I'm not in the cooking mood today, but I might because I have bananas that are going bad. I don't feel like eating them, so I might make some banana bread instead. But right now I'm baking a pie. Let me see if I can show it to you. There you go. Come on, Patty! So it's about 12:52, almost 1 o'clock. I'm just gonna start cooking from now so I can get it over with and done and just sit down. I need to catch up on my Walking Dead tonight, and so I can watch tonight's episode. I think I'm like 3 or 4 episodes behind. The last episode that I watched is when what's his name? Glenn supposedly died. And then after that, I said I was going to boycott The Walking Dead. But people are telling me no, I need to watch it again because there's some surprise twists and I would be happy. So I'm going to catch up on that. So I'm going to start cooking. And everyone knows when I cook, I'm in the kitchen, I have to either listen to music or watch my iPad, which is YouTube. So I usually watch African movies. And if you guys don't watch African movies, y'all are missing out. I love watching African movies. So I'm going to watch an African movie, and then I'm going to start cooking. I'm going to make some mashed potato, curry salmon, maybe some veggies, I don't know yet. And my pie is still baking, and I'm more than likely I'm going to bake a banana bread today. So right now it's basically 1 o'clock. I want to be done with everything by 3. By 3, I want to be out the kitchen. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, you guys, I am mashing bananas, easy, to make the banana bread. Right now it is 2 o'clock. The curry salmon is done. And the mashed potatoes are almost done. Now I'm going to start the banana bread and then I am done. Like I said, by 3 I want to be out this kitchen. Side with it. Smells so good. All the vanilla that I put in there, the bananas, the cream, the nutmeg, the what else I put? Cinnamon. It's going to be epic. And as you guys can see, that is the curry salmon. The pie is done. And now the banana bread is baking. The life of a wife. And this is going to be the end of the vlog. But yeah, that was all we did for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful Sunday also. And that's it. Make sure you guys have a wonderful and exciting and awesome week this week. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. I'm out.